Okay, she's in. The only thing is about these type of windows, that the side curtains don't really cover up the openings completely, because there's this piece of wood right here that's kind of pushing the curtains in a little bit, but overall I don't really care too much. There's something on the lens. Sorry. Yeah, that's a little better. Okay. So, for the moment of truth. Now to plug it in, I had to move my bookshelf just to access this outlet here. And now, for the moment of truth. It blows out nice. Have our low cool. Normal cool. That's super cool. I want to replace these side curtains here. Whoops. The motor's a little bit off balance, but it works pretty well. Make sure the window's nice and tight. The unit is fully secure. Right there. So I got nothing to worry about. And it's quieter on medium and low cool. Air extender. Can't really see. Oh, isn't this beautiful? I love this unit. I love it. Love it. Love it. Alright, now to give this unit a few minutes, like 15-20 minutes to cool, and see how good it cools the room.